Let's take another example. In this example, we are asked to divide 1111111 base 2 by 101 base 2. We'll do the same thing by applying method 2, which is to convert this to base 10 and this to base 10, do the division in base 10, and then convert them back, the answer back to base 2. So 1111111 base 2 is equivalent to place value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is said to be 1 times 2 raised to power 7 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 6 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. This is equal to 1 times 2 raised to power 7 with the aid of a calculator is said to be 128 plus 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 6 is 64. So 64 times 1 plus 2 raised to power 5 is 32 plus 2 raised to power 4 is 16 plus 2 raised to power 3 is 8 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. So when you simplify further, this is going to give us 128, because 1 times 128 is 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 and plus 1. Let's add them up together. It's equivalent to 255 in base 10. Why we'll also convert 101 base 2 to base 10. So 101 base 2 being converted to base 10, this is 0, 1, 2. We have it to be 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So when you simplify, this gives us 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So we have it at 255 base 10 divided by 5 in base 10. So do your division, and this becomes 5 into itself is 1, 5 into 25 is 5 times 5 into 5 is 1. So this is equivalent to 51 in base 10. Having gotten your answer in base 10, now convert it to base 2, which we started from. So by repeated multiplication, repeated division, this is going to be 51 divided by 2. 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1. This becomes 11. 2 into 11 is 5, remainder 1. 2 into 25, this is 1, this is 2, remainder 1. 2 into 12 is 6, remainder 0. 2 into 6 is 3, remainder 0. 2 into 3 is 1, remainder 1. And 2 into 1 is 0, remainder 1. So that 51 base 10 is equivalent to 110011 in base 2. And this is your answer. You can also use the long division method in solving this, but this may look too cumbersome for you. But let's give it a try on this example. We have it that 1111111 base 2 divide by 101 base 2. Just like I said, you draw a long division and put this, which is the dividend, in the square root sign, while the divisor stands here, all in base 2. Now, just like I said, you must be conversant with your multiplication table in base 2. 101 is equivalent to 5 in base 2. So, pick the first digit. Is it equivalent to 5 in base 10? No. Pick the second next two digits. The second digit. Will it give you a number greater than 5 or up to 5? No. That is, 11 in base 2 is 3. 111 in base 2 is 6. So I can then divide by saying 111 divided by 101. 111 is it 6? 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3, times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 111 in base 2 is 7. So 7 divided by 5 is said to be 1. Remainder 2. We keep the remainder, okay? What we are actually after is the multiple. So 1 times 101 will give us 101. Find the difference. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. You bring down the next digit, which is 1. So this becomes 101 divided by 101 is 1. 1 times 101 is 101. Find the difference. It gives you 0, 0, 0. Bring down the next digit, which is 1. 1 divided by 101, it cannot. You add 0 here and bring down the next digit, just like what we normally do in base 10. 11 divided by 101, it cannot. You add another 0 here and bring down the next digit. This becomes 111. 111 divided by 101. Remember, 101 is 5. 111 is 7. So it will go 1 time. 1 times 101 is said to be 101. Find the difference. This becomes 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. And this is 0. Then bring down the next digit, which is 1. 101 divided by 101 is 1. So 1 times 101 is 101. And when you subtract, it gives you 0, of which we are done with all the digits. And if you look at it, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 divided by 101 is equal to 110011 base 2, which is the same answer we got from the last exercise that we just solved. If you look at it, it's still 110011. So any of the methods. So you can use any of the methods in solving division in number-based system.